Hi friends, Mr. Stevey here, and welcome to Mindful Minutes, a series of short videos featuring mindful exercises you can do in the classroom with your teacher or at home while distance learning. These bite-sized mind-body exercises are meant to help you improve your concentration, identify and regulate your emotions, and help you relax so that you learn better and feel better. So today, we're going to talk about a mindful acronym that helps you stay calm when dealing with difficult situations and difficult people. It's called P.E.A.C.E. This is a great exercise you can do to remind yourself to be more aware of what's going on inside you while coping with unpleasant people and experiences. Created by Dr. Amy Saltzman, an author, physician, and mindfulness coach, P.E.A.C.E. is an acronym that helps you create space for a calm reaction to difficult situations. Let me show you. P is for pause. Pause when you realize that things are getting difficult. E is for exhale. Keep breathing slow, deep breaths. A is for accept. Accept the situation for what it is. This isn't an easy step, friends, but try your best to work on it. C is for choose. Make a choice that is kind to yourself and kind to others. E is for engage. When you're ready, engage with the situation and people involved. And that's how you practice peace. Like I said, this is a great way to deal with difficult people and situations and create space for you to calm down and engage mindfully. I hope this video helps, and I hope that you join me for more mindful minutes. Until the next episode, stay calm, friends.